YouTube thumbnails. Now we all know that a good thumbnail, like the one on this video, gets a lot of clicks. And maybe you may not know how to make the best YouTube thumbnail. Or maybe you do know, but you don't know what software to use. Well, this video is for you. I have a software, and it's not actually mine. It's called Canva.com. And I've used Canva to make my own YouTube thumbnails. Like this thumbnail for this video, I made using Canva. Now, sometimes Canva can be hard to use, and in this video, I'm going to be walking through like a tutorial about how to use Canva. And if you guys still don't understand how to make a good thumbnail, I will make it for you just for free if you subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's get into it. So when you go to Canva.com, you sign in, you want to hit thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, first one. And then you kind of see what kind of thing you want. You can select a template, and since my channel is mainly about gaming, I'll go over here to templates. I'll hit gaming. Now I'll search it, and so yeah, or I can search I'll show you how to make the thumbnail for this video that I made. So search in YouTube. And if I don't really like anything, I can do whatever I want, really, I can click here, but some of these things, you need money to access them, right? Now, YouTube, I'll just say tutorial YouTube thumbnails, and I'll just double click here if I like this. Now I want to edit this text, and I'll just say how to make the best YouTube thumbnail. Right? And I don't like the text, or I don't like the font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this whole thing. I'm going to make Crumbury. I'm going to change it to Anonymous Pro. And from 86, I'm going to make it to 28. Actually, we can go a little bit higher. We can go 50, right? I can change the font. I can change the size. I can change whatever I want. I can do whatever I want with it. Right now, I like it like this. Just make it a little bit slanted. And yeah, that's kind of how it's going to work. I can remove watermarks, but that kind of costs extra. And so now I'm going to go on Google. I'm going to just search up YouTube. Right? I'm going to images, and I'll select one I like. So I'll select maybe one that's cool. I'll select this one. Now I'll take this. I'll save image as, and I'll just do it as a YouTube logo. So it'll pop up right here. Then I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit background. And I can kind of make my own background, so I'll just hit uploads, and I'm going to drag this from here to there, and basically I can make this right here, and I can put this on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it like this, and see that looks cool, and I can put something like that, and I can maybe drag this down a little bit if I want to, or I can keep it like this, and I can add another thing. So what I'm going to add is, right now I'm going to add the YouTube logo. So I'm going to go here, select this image that I like. Actually, I'll take this image. No, you want to do a transparent one. Transparent logo. So it should look something like this. PNG file. Save as. And I didn't really name it. It just automatically comes as a name. I can hit upload an image and video. And okay, so this one has like the gray things, if you can see that in the background. What I'm going to do is, if I go here, I'll save image as, and it just saves the PNG file, as you can see there. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload it. Okay, so I uploaded it twice. But basically now I can just put this like that. See, that looks cool, if I want it to look cool. I can kind of make anything I want. And basically, yeah, anything you want, you can put any image you want. And you can just search up thumbnail. And how to make YouTube thumbnails, and you can just take this. Make sure it's not a YouTube video because those get copyrighted, and you just want to save it as save. You want to go back to here. You want to upload it, and this is what if you want to make like really cool ones. You would kind of use the thing I'm doing. So you'll go here. I'll delete this, and maybe if I want to, I can make this a little bit smaller, right? I can put this here. I could put this like there, and basically I can just do this. And you can put a background. You can put background. You can just put black, and then you can change this to white, like that. So as you can see, this is like a mix of a collage. But I can put arrows, I can put text, I can put videos, I can put elements, I can do whatever I want basically. And I can actually hit gaming as well. So there's gonna be, I don't know, I can also upload my channel logo, but I'm not gonna do that here. And you know, I can literally just take this out and put this here. But for this, you always need the background to go white. Then this is just, I'm sorry if this is too confusing for you guys. But okay, just change the background to white, so this looks also cool. There's like a gaming controller, and it really depends on what you want. I like gaming. My channel is mostly about gaming. I upload a lot of cool stuff. So you know, I'll just put this. How to make the best YouTube thumbnail, and that's kind of basically a quick tutorial about how to do it. This is kind of the end result, and you guys can. I know this looks a little bit weird, but I need to do some editing and a lot of other things. But you kind of get the basic point. It should look pretty cool. It should look how you want it to look. If it doesn't, comment down below how you want it to look. I can actually make a free one for you if you guys subscribe to the channel. So yeah, that's kind of it. Thanks for watching. And if you like this YouTube thumbnail, I'll see you in the next video. And subscribe.